What is up, junkies? Welcome back to the channel. And real quick, I just want to give a huge shout out to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel, junkies. And you know, this is gonna be a pretty cool journey, so glad you guys have you on board. Today's gonna be a little different. I am going to be working on my daily driver. I decided that I'm gonna do a little mini build series for the daily driver just because I don't have the NC right now. It's still in the shop. A couple of things I'll update you guys on later. It should be back in the next week or two, fingers crossed. And I kind of just wanted to, you know, do some content for this car because I love it. You know, it's my dream car and the NC is my track car. So why not have two builds on the channel? It's not gonna be like hella content on this GC. It's gonna be here and there. This is more of the budget build. You know, when I find good deals, I'll pick some stuff up. But I'll introduce you guys to the car. So this is my daily driver. It is a 2000 2.5 RS, pretty much bone stock except for aesthetics. T37, sequential tail lights, you know, body kit, rain visors, and a carbon fiber wing. Nothing much really, just something to drive to work and back. But anyway, so in terms of the NC, it will be back, like I said, in a week or two. So just give me some time, guys. I have to do a full, you know, kind of test and tune, tweak it, make sure everything's good, and then I have to break in the transmission, which is a 1,000-mile drive. And I actually have a really cool video planned for you guys for that, so stay tuned. Oh, I totally forgot. I did work on it last month, and I did some stuff on it, so I'm gonna roll the clip real quick and show you guys what I did. So I cleaned up the wing. I pretty much sanded it down with a 600 and then went to 1000 and then clear coated it. Then I did a 3000 sanding over it, so it's like really smooth. I'm gonna polish it later. Right now I'm actually working on some other stuff. And here is the hood vents are painted black now. It looks really sick, dude. Actually, I'm actually really stoked about this. And also I painted the black of this plastic dip because it was chrome. And it looks a lot sicker. All right, so back to present day. I just picked up this used CW carbon fiber lip. It's a little beat up, so we are going to restore everything on this. I'm gonna pretty much sand it down, give it a nice clear coat, and let it cure for a whole day before installing it. But other than that, it's in pretty damn good condition. My kind of like aesthetic build is have kind of like carbon fiber bits everywhere. So the lip and the wing is gonna be freaking insanely clean, and then eventually I want to get little things like maybe the hood vent carbon fiber, the fog light covers carbon fiber, you know, just whatever I can find that's carbon fiber. I'm like literally not trying to spend a lot. It's just whatever I can find that is a good deal. So we're gonna give a little time lapse, kind of me washing it and just kind of, you know, going through the process, and then I'll break it down after I finish the process. So pretty much I sanded it down with the 600. I'm gonna go over it again with the 1000 and smooth everything out. It had some surface scratches right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but barely visible. I still have to go over this one more time. This surface scratches out, and you pretty much want to sand it down so it's kind of like grayish tint, and then you gotta just clean it off, make sure everything's smooth, hit it with a 1000 all the way. Some scratches right here too, I can see, so I'm gonna go over that again. This side's pretty much good, so I don't think I'm gonna hit this side as much anymore, but I really want to get these surface scratches off and then smoothen everything out, dry off the table, set up for clear coat, and I'll probably do like 2 or 3 clear coats, let it dry for a day, and she's gonna be back on. All right guys, so I cleaned up the lip, sanded her down pretty good. I mean, she has some spots here and there, but it should be okay, I think. Doesn't need to be perfect, just to get the scratches off because we're reapplying a coat anyways. Now the table is all prepped up. I had a little freaking trouble with the wind, So I'm just gonna do a first coat of very light layer, and then just layer it on every 10 minutes. And hopefully I don't run out of clear coat. Alright guys, so the P1 lip is off now. So I'm gonna probably wash the car, or maybe I just washed it, but this looks disgusting. So I'm gonna have to figure something out here. Alright guys, so I did about 2 coats and it's looking freaking awesome, dude. Oh man, this thing's going crazy. I'm so freaking stoked for this. Crazy how easy this job is too. It's literally just sand it and then just spray it. I always thought that I never had confidence in doing these kind of things, but after you do it once, it's really not that bad. So pretty much it probably needs maybe another layer or 2. I'm probably gonna even everything out and then give it maybe like, I don't know, an hour or 2 to cure. And I'm just gonna slap it on the Subi and make it look sick. Let's go. Pretty much almost done here. This thing looks freaking nuts. I actually have to self-tap the last 2 screws over here because I guess my bumper's a little off, but I don't have anyone to help me right now, so it's kind of hard to hold it and tap it because it's kind of like rear tire. I need to pull it out and then have them tap it for me. So I think I'm just gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys are a new subscriber, welcome to the channel again. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what it looks like. Whoa. Damn, that looks crazy. It go, oh, by the way, both these are Seibon. So the carbon fiber, I would say weave is like the same. So it's a good match. Nice little match there. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys. And, you know, if you haven't yet, make sure you hit that like, smash that subscribe, or whatever way around it is. And remember, stay chasing.